Hey, hi, hello friends. This is Vaza, and we are going to start today about the concept called override. What is the concept? Overriding. The name itself is very familiar, right? So, what is meant by overriding here? So, overriding is nothing but existing the functionality, existing the functionality replaced by new functionality. New functionality. Okay, new functionality. See what is already here? Existing functionality is replaced by the new functionality. It's called as a overriding. Suppose if I want to make any changes in the existing class, I want the previous class should be changed in my existing class, and that type of overriding is called here overriding concept. Okay, we will start with the workouts now. How we can do that? What are all the keywords applied in this? Here we have a keyword called virtual keyword. Okay, and override keyword. Virtual keyword and override keyword. And the main point is, you should get note of this. Main point is we can override only parent child relations. Suppose if it is in the same class, suppose if it is in same class, we cannot override. Understand? Okay. In the same way, method names must be same. Method names must be same in parent and child class. Okay. So I'm going to create a new classes, two classes, and which is related with the two classes. It is called a parent-child relationship, and we will start the workout. Then how it works, we will see now. Okay. I'm going to developer console, and here I'm writing as a new class now. For the new class, I'm going to give as a previous score. One class is called a previous score. I've written a class name called with previous score. In this class, I'm going to write now public void score. A method system.debug. Here old score is, I'm going to write as 155 is the old score here. Okay. Now I want to share this class to the other class, right? I want to share this class to the other class. That means what I have to write? Which keyword I have to write here? I need to write the virtual keyword. What is the keyword? Virtual keyword. I will show you one more keyword in the method also, but you need to wait for some more time. Okay, I'm going to save this now. Save. Okay, fine, we have saved without errors. And again, I'm going to create a new class for this. New class name is again, I'm going to write as the new class previous, and I'm going to write as current scope. Current scope. Okay, current scope. I have written like this. Current scope. So what we need to do now? We need to relate this class with the previous class, right? So what I'm doing here, I'm going to write a keyword. That keyword is extends. Extends is the keyword to relate a previous class. Okay, keyword. And which class I'm going to extend now? I'm going to extend the previous score class. Previous score. I'm going to write that class now here. Okay, good. And after this, one method, public void score braces, open and close braces, system dot debug new score is 99. Okay, so I'm going to save this now. Save. Now see here. I'm going to save this now. See what is the error. Understand this error now. Non-virtual, non-abstract methods cannot be overridden. So what I'm going to write, I told you before that we are going to write a keyword called override keyword. Okay, for override keyword, and here override keyword, and I'm going to add that keyword here in the program. Override. If I want to mention this keyword again, I should have one more keyword in the previous class. See here. You can check the error again. See what is the error again? Non-virtual, non-abstract methods cannot be overridden. Void current score dot score. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going here in the previous class. In the method, I'm going to write as virtual, because I'm sharing this method to the current class. Okay, I have saved this now. Now again, in this also, I'm saving this now. Okay, we got it now. We have written now two classes. In two classes, we have written as the old score and the new score, and the previous score and the current score, and we want to execute this class, right? We want to execute this class and go to open execute anonymous window, or else Control E. Okay, I'm going to write this one. Okay, first we will see how it executes. Okay. First, what I'm going to do is current score, equal to C equal to new current score braces close C dot score. C dot score. Okay, and I'm going to execute this now. What is this new score here? New score is 999. Okay, 999. So what is the old score here? Old score is 155, and the new score is 999. So we have override the previous method now, and we have given a new value for the previous score. Okay, so this is called a override concept. See how simple it is. Suppose I want to make you somewhat clear. I want to write like case 1, case 2, case 3. You can see that one, but don't be confused that how I'm writing here. Okay, this is this one is case 1. Okay, and I want to mention again case 2 also. Case 2 here. In the case 2, I'm going to write as a parent class for the parent class. What is the parent class here? Previous score. Previous score p equal to new previous score close braces and now p dot score open braces close braces semicolon. See now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these two now. I'm going to highlight execute highlighted here. Click on the execute highlighted and see the result of this one now. So you will be getting now the result like the previous score. Okay, hold the score 155. And again third case is the case 3 is again I'm going to write as a case 3. You can mention this case 3 also. In case 3, I'm going to write as a previous score here, and PC equal to new and child score. Child, that is the current score here, V equal to and column. And now PC dot score equal to, see here, now what will be out? Out will be depends upon the creation of the object. Depends upon the creation of object. What object I'm creating now? I'm creating for the, see, now the result will be for the child output. We will see now how it comes now. Okay. Here I'm going to execute this execute highlighted. Okay. It's loading. Execute highlighted. Okay. And I have given debug only now. See the score now. The score is 999. So it depends upon the creation of the object. Okay. So